you going?
What swings?
You going to the
She's going to the swings.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to take you a while.
It'll take you about 2 hours to get there. Huh. Huh. Huh.
Say, Daddy, don't throw a snowball at me. Grace, where you going?
What swings?
You're going to the swings? But the swings are all the way down there. How are you going to get there?
I can do.
How are you getting there?
I can't. Where the swings go? I see swings. Whoa, whoa.
Now where are you going? Huh? Where are you going?
I got swings.